Currently, we are in a very stressful time of our lives, and we need to focus on those things that we can control, not the things we can't. And one of those things we can control is the food we put in our mouths. Trying to cook at home and limiting that processed food, which is high in sodium, high in sugar, high in fat. We have all that sugar in our diet. They have a spike in serotonin level and then a crash in serotonin level, which leads to more stress and anxiety. Alcohol leads to maybe a coping mechanism where we feel less stress, but in the end it's causing more inflammation, which can lead to more stress as well. We have to think of our brain just like any organ in our body, just like your muscles that you train for exercise. Our brain is the same way. It needs specific fuels to help it run in the optimal condition. When there's deficiencies, there can be some brain health issues. When we see excess, there can be brain health issues. So it's finding that fine balance. So there was a research study done in 2017 on the Mediterranean diet, which is high in fruits and vegetables, has whole grain and low-fat food products, low in sodium, low in processed sugars. And when they did this diet for 6 months, supplementing with fish oils, those individuals did have lower risk of depression and anxiety. Having a wide variety of foods gets us a wide variety of nutrients. So making sure half your plate is fruits and vegetables, a quarter of your plate is grains, and a quarter of your plate is protein. 100% whole grain has fiber, which is good for our gut health, but also has all those nutrients, folic acid, the iron, B vitamins. When we have a good amount of whole grains, we have increase in serotonin levels. Wide varieties of proteins have helped with stress as well, and they help with alertness. You've heard of omega fatty acids, which come from our nuts and seeds and our avocados. Those help with inflammation. In research, there is a link between omegas and decreased depression. Magnesium is another nutrient you're going to see that helps with stress. You can get this through your spinach and your dark leafy greens. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, and that decreases that inflammation and that breakdown in that brain that we get. Herbal teas and supplements of herbs have shown some benefits. There are herbs that can affect medication and certain diagnosis. So before you start an herbal supplement, please speak to your physician. We have in our gut bacteria that is good, healthy bacteria. That bacteria is called probiotic, and it lives off of prebiotic, which is the fiber, and that's why we need that whole grain fiber. That probiotic, which you can get through your fermented foods, helps with that good acidity. And they've shown that those individuals that had a good bacterial flora had decreased inflammation and also better absorption in their gut. And our gut health is very important to the brain. So if our digestive tract is not healthy, then in turn we will have not great brain health. But whatever it is that helps you to decrease stress, then make sure right now you take that time, build it into your habits. Learn how to calm your brain and start working on better nutrition for stress.